In today's tech video, I'm going to show you guys how you can stop the rotating power off feature on the DJI Osmo 3. Okay, by default, DJI has made it to where if you slide this thing up like this, it'll automatically power off, but you got to hurry up and hit continue. So they only give you a few seconds to stop it from powering off, which is going to be good or bad in some cases, but I find it to be a little bit annoying. So I want to turn that off because there are times that I want to record maybe vertical video or shoot a picture in vertical mode, and then I have to hurry up and make sure I hit that button, and sometimes we don't move that fast. But I'm going to show you guys the way to disable that. What you want to do is swipe down from the bottom like so and click that gear icon on the bottom left corner, and then you're going to want to scroll to rotate screen to power off. Right now it's set to 2 seconds, and I'm going to set it to never, and then click back and then exit out of it. Now let's go ahead and give it a try. There we go. And now it's not powering off, and you can actually just power it off by hitting this red circle button on your own. 1, 2, see, in 2 seconds, and now it powers off. So that's how you disable the rotating power off feature on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3.